In this video, we are going to learn about min and max function. Min means minimum value, max means maximum value. If we have to find out largest or smallest value in a range of cell, then we have to use max or min function. Before we start working with min and max function, first we will give label of min and max in A11 and A12 cell. So first click to A11 cell like this and write min like this and press enter. Then write max in A12 cell over here like this and press enter. Now suppose we have to find out minimum value in B11 cell of B4 to B8 cell. Then first click to B11 cell like this. Then press equal sign. Then write min like this. Then open round bracket sign. Then select range of cell from B4 to B8 like this. Then close round bracket sign. Finally press enter. The moment we press enter, minimum value came and that is rupees 500. Same we can find minimum value for rest of the cell from C11 to F11. Now if we copy B11 cell like this by pressing Ctrl C and paste it in C11 cell over here by pressing Ctrl V, we get minimum value here also and that is rupees 500. Or click to C11 cell over here and drag aside till F11 cell like this. Like this also we can find minimum value for rest of the cell. Now we will find maximum value. For that, first click to B12 cell over here. Then press equal sign like this. Then write max. Then open round bracket sign like this. Then select range of cell from B4 to B8 like this. Then close round bracket sign. And finally press enter. The moment we press enter, maximum value came and that is rupees 1500 over here. Now if we copy B12 cell like this by pressing Ctrl C and paste it in C12 cell over here by pressing Ctrl V, we get maximum value here also and that is rupees 1700 over here. Or click to C12 cell like this and drag aside till F12 cell like this. Like this also we can find maximum value for rest of the cell. So like this we can find minimum and maximum value from the range of cell. Try this min or max function in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video. Take care.